Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk. Today we are with the Huawei P20 Lite. This is the edition in the P20 series which is coming to India right now. It comes with the iPhone XS kind of notch. It has a 5.84-inch Full HD display which is 19:9. Here you can see two rear cameras at the back with 16 plus 2 megapixel setup with LED flash. It has the face unlocking feature. We have already seen the front. You are getting a 24 megapixel camera which you haven't seen in the previous international phone. In the side you are getting a volume rocker key, power button, and at the back you can see the camera has a little bump. There is a fingerprint sensor. It comes with the glass black back body and it looks really good while holding it. Comes around 5.5 inch while holding in the hand. In the top you are getting a noise cancellation mic. It has a hybrid SIM card slot, and going towards bottom it has a type C charging which is a fast charging, and also there is a 3.5mm jack for earphones, and the speaker grills are also there. As far as the notch is concerned, you can change the notch. Here is the option. You can see there is a notch option, and removing the notch, here you can see the option so that you can play around with if you want to. So it is up to the requirement. I prefer the notch one. As far as the sunlight is concerned, the display is very easily visible in the sunlight. Here are the benchmark scores of the Antutu score and also the geeky benchmark score with the single processor and the multi-core processor. For the gaming, it comes with the octa-core processor Kirin 659. It has a 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal memory, and the game plays very smooth on. There is no hiccup, but definitely there is a little bit heating issue at the back. You can feel that, and this is something that will be concerned. I'm not sure that will be fixed later on or not, but there is definitely a heating issue. As far as the battery is concerned, it comes with a 3000 milliampere battery, which is enough to run for half a day or a full day according to your usage. It may be a normal use or it may be a heavy user, so it depends on your usage. But the highlight feature is the camera. So let's talk about the camera right now. As far as the camera is concerned, the rear is the 16 plus 2 megapixel camera. It will give you the wide aperture shot and also the portrait mode. In the front you are getting a 24 megapixel camera to get the good selfies. These are the modes which we have seen already in the Huawei and the Honor phones, and definitely this is something not very new to the Huawei or the Honor user. But I'm just showing you so that you guys have a look, and there is not a big change in that. So this is running on Android 8.0, EMUI 8.0 also. So this is the EMUI layer is on the top, but the good thing is that it comes with the face unlock feature added in the phone. It has a fingerprint sensor additional, and also checking out the camera samples. And here you can see the colors are rich. It is taken the low light shot. The front camera is good. It is taking out well because it has a 24 megapixel camera, and we haven't tested it properly, but daylight shots are also coming well. Here we have tried a portrait shot and it came out well. So the device will be going to be sale on Amazon. Not sure for the offline. The price point of the device is 20,000. It will be directly competing with the Vivo V9 and Oppo F7. So this is all about the Huawei P20 Lite. This is I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.